What's going on, guys? Today we got an unpackaging from New Balance. That's more difficult than that to be. Alright. So, as we know, the Raptors won the championship. Kawhi is with New Balance, and they released a set of shirts to celebrate like his championship and all that. And I copped it. They're on pre-order, but I got the New Balance Orange Kawhi Fun Guy shirt. Interesting, just yeah, pretty cool shirt. I mean, you know, Kawhi's a fun guy. Yeah, it feels like a pretty nice shirt actually. Yeah, I like the material. Yeah, not much to say. It's pretty plain. It's just plain New Balance shirt.